The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission today said that the commission may constitute its own inquiry into the murder case at Ichamati and Mawlai if there is a need. Speaking to reporters, Mhrc chairperson Justice Retired T. Vaipe said that they have just received a report from the police about the ongoing investigation into the Ichamati case, and the copy of the report is furnished to the complainant. He said that the commission is currently waiting for the comment of the complainant. Meanwhile, he informed that they have called for a report from the SP into the murder case at Mawroh.
Examining the complainants, the victim side, family of the victim or independent witnesses. And then we'll give a chance to the other party, that's the police, the version. Then if necessary, we'll take evidence, and after that we'll make our recommendation.
The first woman DGP of Meghalaya, Ida Shisha,